Good morning students. Once again welcome back to the SST class. Dear students, in the previous class already we have learned about the evaluate part A of lesson number 2, our natural and cultural heritage. Is it, dear student? In the evaluate part I have solved fill in the blanks, and B part is choose the correct answer, and C part match the following. Already I have solved these all things. Dear students, in the today's class I am going to solve the question answers. Dear student, these are very lengthy question answers. Okay, so because of this, first question, what is heritage and what are types of heritage in India? This answer I will give, means first I will give what is heritage, and in that only I will do shortcut and give the second question, that is what are types of heritage in India. Okay, so the first question is what is heritage? Okay, dear student, take down this answer. Heritage includes culture, traditions, historical buildings, languages, dance and music, art forms, like pottery, coins, etc. Okay, that have been passed down from our ancestors. India is rich in culture and heritage. Okay, dear student. So here question number 1 is what is heritage, and dear student, in the same question this is the means what is heritage, and also you have to say the answer of what are the types of heritage in India. So dear student, first I have given only what is heritage. Here heritage includes culture, traditions, historical buildings, languages, dance and music, art forms like pottery, coins, etc., and that have been passed down from our ancestors. India is rich in culture and heritage. Okay, dear student. So the next question is what are the types of heritage in India? What are the types of heritage in India? Okay, dear students. So answer is our natural heritage, comprises the environment, that surround us, It includes the unique animals, birds, plants, forests, mountains, rivers, valleys, and other natural features found in the country. And our traditional style of architecture, places of worship, places of worship, inscriptions, pottery, points, dance, drama, music, and paintings. Comprise our cultural heritage. Literature, languages, food habits, dressing styles, housing, folklores, festivals, and other such practices also found in the also form of a part of our cultural heritage. Okay, dear student, this is only the answer of first question, that is what is heritage. Here heritage includes culture, tradition, historical buildings, languages, dance and music, art forms like pottery, coins, etc. that have been passed down to us from our ancestors. So India is rich in culture and heritage. Next, what are the types of heritage in India? Here one is natural heritage, another is cultural heritage. So our natural heritage comprises the environment that surrounds us. It includes the unique animals, birds, plants, forests, mountains, rivers, valleys, and other natural features found in the country. And this answer only continues here. Our traditions, styles of architecture, places of worship, inscriptions, pottery, coins, dance, drama, music and paintings comprise our cultural heritage. And here literature and languages, food habits, dressing styles, housing, folklore, festivals and other such practices also form a part of our cultural heritage. Okay dear student. So this is the answer of first question. So remaining 4 question answers I will give in the next class. So you have to write these all answer, means whatever this answer I have given, write neatly with good handwriting in your classwork book, homework book and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay, till here today I will stop. In the next class I will solve remaining question answers. Thank you.